Hi sisters, Cherry B here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, before we get into the main video, I want to tell you about my soulmate that I met today. I've not really interacted with them yet, but I can just tell you, they're just so gorgeous and they look amazing. Stay tuned, wedding coming next summer. So basically how we met was, I came back to my house today and my mum was like, there's something waiting upstairs for you. And I was like, ooh, what is it? And my sister James Charles palette is here. I'm gagged. Wig has been gone, sis. We've been new. I need this back, sis, because my hair's just not doing bits, sweetie. It's trying, but it's just not, you know? It's just not the cutest. So today I'm going to be giving my first impressions with my Morphe X James Charles palette. It's actually been a hot sec since I did my makeup for a video last. And as you can see, I've actually kind of improved. Also, look at this snatched nose that's going on today. Yes sis, no longer am I ugly and bad at makeup. I've actually got a glow up, you could say. On the front, it's his promo photo with him looking absolutely gorgeous. It says the Morphe X James Charles palette. On the back it says, "Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my palette. I love glam but I also have a huge passion for crazy colourful outside of the box makeup and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist. James Charles." Let's open this sister up. On the front, it says Morphe X James Charles and it's so cute. It's black. It kind of feels like it's made out of like cardboard. And the other ones are plastic. Oh, you're kidding. This is... Look at artistry. Can you see that purple with like the blue reflects? You're kidding. These two shades are everything. Oh, this is so good. I've seen online that a lot of people are saying that the James Charles palette and the Morphe 35B are very similar, and I have both of those palettes, so I'm going to open them and show you the comparison. First of all, oh by the way, excuse this dirty palette, it's really gross, not good and fresh. The James Charles palette is a lot bigger, as you can see. In comparison, this is the Morphe 35B and this is the James Charles palette. I can see why people think that they are very similar, but if you do look, a lot of the shades are quite different. People are saying that the shades are similar, but I don't think you can see it on camera, but in person, this is more of a dark pink and this is more like a hot pink. These two and these two shades look pretty similar. That one's a shimmer and that one's a matte. This one and this one look very similar. You just swatch them both, and the shade Playground and the shade Sky are literally the same. The top one is Sky and the bottom one is Playground. The yellows look quite similar as well, but in real life this one's more of like an orange and this one's more of an actual true sunshine yellow. First I'm going to start with my eye primer. So what I was thinking of doing is, this eyes it's going to be like pink, orange, and purple, and red, like sunset kind of eyes. And this eye is going to be like blue, yellow, and green. I'm going to go straight in with the colour Skip, which is the bright pink one. And I'm going to put it in my crease. As you can see already, this eyeshadow is really pigmented. Next, I'm going to blend the edges out with the shade Pinkety Drinkety, and it's a light nude, light pink colour. Next, I'm gonna go and use the shade You're Kidding, which is a bright red. I'm gonna take it on like a dense brush. Watching this back, I'm actually kind of spooked and gooked. I literally have no idea what was going on, like, with my door. Someone could have been, like, closing it. Really praying it's not a ghost, because if it is, that's just not good and fresh, this. I'm gonna take the shade You're Kidding on a dense brush, and I'm just gonna put it in my outer corner. He really snapped. Can you see this? Shh. What the frick? Can everyone just shh, be quiet? I'm gonna go back into the brush that I previously used to put the pink on, and I'm gonna kind of blend the edges. So far it looks like this. By the way, I didn't get the James Charles Morphe brushes set because there is no way my bank account would survive that. And that's just kind of sad if you ask me. Now I'm going to take this kind of fluffy packing brush and I'm going to go in... Ew, what is that? And I'm just going to put them next to the red. I'm going to go back in the shade Skip and go with my crease again to make it more vibrant. And then I'm going to go back and use Pink Tea Drink Tea again and just blend out the edges. I'm going to get a little bit of concealer and just cut the inner third of my eye. I'm gonna take my ring off because this is really annoying me. Sorry my fiance, love you the most. And pick up the shade Single, like me.
Next door to Escape, we have this beautiful bright purple shade, and this one is called Single, named after me. Who needs a boyfriend when you can have a beautiful purple eyeshadow? Still me, honestly.
And I'm just gonna put it on like another flat packing brush. I'm gonna put it on the inner third. Now I'm gonna take a small detail brush and pick up the shade Artistry, which is the purple shimmer, and it's got blue in it, and it kind of reminds me of like a butterfly, like princess type of movement, and it's probably my favourite shade in the whole palette. Can everyone see that gorgeous glitter? Oh my gosh. So far it should look like this. Now I'm going to take the shade Skip and I'm going to put it really close to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Escape and Love That, and I'm just going to kind of blend that out. Now we're moving on to the second eye. Now I'm going to take the same brush that I picked up Skip with. Well, not the same brush, it's just the same style. And I'm going to go in with the shade Escape, which is a true blue colour. I'm going to take the shade Canvas, which is a cream type colour, and I'm going to blend the blue out. Now I'm going to take the shade Social Blade, which is a lime green, and I'm going to place it where I put the same red colour in my outer third. I mean, it's James. I knew this palette was going to be bomb, but I didn't know it was going to be this bomb, you know. I'm going to go back into the blue brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Playground again. Now I'm going to go in with the shade 518 and Rusted again and put it right in the middle. Now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to cut the other inner third with concealer. Now I'm going to go in with the shade B, which is a bright yellow shade. Again, some of the orange got lost, so I'm just going to go back in with 518 and Rusted and put it back on the centre of my lid. Now I'm going to take a small detail brush and go in the shade Guac, and I'm just going to put it on the yellow that I just laid down. Now it's like a yellowy green type of movement and I'm kind of digging it. Now I'm going to go back in the shade Playground and I'm going to put it close to my lower lash line like I did with the pink. Nip it over, but that's okay because I'm just going to go and blend it out with the dark green shade called Daddy anyway. And for the eyes, we are done. Now I'm just going to pop on some lashes, do some lips, and I'll be back to do highlighter and give you my impressions. Okay, honey, we already know these lashes ain't doing bits. I'm not going to get any closer because it's 2 AM and I'm just so tired from school, and yeah, I just can't do my lashes today properly, evidently. Wow, what is this? But you know, at least I put them on. The lipstick is Honey Love by MAC and the lip liner is Natural by NYX. Highlighter, I'm going to use my go-to Fenty Beauty in the shade Mean Money and Hustler Baby. It breaks more and more every time I open it. This look isn't that creative, so to get it more kind of creative, I'm just going to go with the colour scheme on each eyes and go for my eyebrows and run it down the side of my nose. And that is it, sisters. I decided to take a few of the bright shades and contour them down my nose and on my eyebrows because James is known for his creative looks and his nose contouring. Overall, my thoughts on the James Charles palette is, honestly, I love it. I mean, can you see how pigmented these shadows are? Girl, you need to get one right now, right? Right now. Ask one for Christmas, ask one for your birthday, ask one for Valentine's Day, even though that's far away. Ask one for any occasion, sis. Treat yourself if no one's gonna get it for you. This is one of the best palettes I've literally ever seen. The pigmentation is... And the shimmers are dead shimmery. The mattes are matte. Don't forget to use code James for 10% off. Mwah. So proud of him. I've been with him since literally under 1 million when he was still in the thousands. And love you so much. Couldn't be any proud of you, babe. Yeah, well done. Keep on living your life. Also, I know they look really bad right now the way I stuck them on. But these lashes are usually gorgeous. Check out my Instagram if you want to see me wearing them. And you can use code CHERRYB5 for 5% off when you spend over £5. I know that that's not like 10% like James Charles, but I'm still giving you the good deal and the good coin, sis. Also, I didn't use these in my look today, but I also have Glitters by TJH lashes. And you can use code Daniel15 for 15% off lashes, pigments and glitters. And again, go and check out my Instagram, see photos of me wearing these. It's like a pink iridescent glitter and it's icy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Comment down video ideas you want to see me do below. If I should bring back my friend Natalia and we can do a makeup tutorial together using this palette maybe. Please follow all of my socials, linked down below. I have Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat, and I love you all. Mwah!